Students, before starting our next exercise 4.2, let's gather some ideas regarding curves. Students, do you know what is curve? Figures that can be drawn without lifting your pencil from a paper is called curves. Now, this is our different figures of curves. Now, simple curve. If the curve does not cross itself, it is a simple curve. Can you say that this is your simple curve? No, because this figure crosses itself. So, can you say it is a simple curve? No, but you can say that this is your simple curve. This is your simple curve, but this is not your simple curve because it cross at one point. Here also this figure cross at one point, so it is also not a simple curve. This is your simple curve. Now, a curve which does not end at the end of the starting point is called open curve. This is your open curve. Now, closed curve. A curve which ends at the starting point is called a closed curve. Suppose this is your starting point, and when it ends at the starting point, this is a closed curve. Here also this is your closed curve. Now, suppose a point lies on curve. Suppose it is Q. Then we can say that it is on the point is on the curve. If the point lies inside the curve, suppose P, then it is called interior point. Suppose any point lies outside the curve, it is called exterior of the curve. Now let's move to our polygons. Students, you all know, you have already learned that a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Do you remember which is this? This curve is made up of 3 line segments, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. It is a triangle. This polygon is called triangle. Similarly, when the polygon made up of 4 line segments and 4 vertices, it is called a rectangle or square. Similarly, when a polygon has 5 line segments, how many vertices can you find out in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vertices. If we join these vertices, the opposite side, it is called diagonal. This is called diagonal of a figure. You can say that this is a diagonal and these are the vertices. This is vertex of the given figure and this is called diagonal. Now, let's move to our exercise 4.2. Now, student, you had learned about different curves: open curve, closed curve, simple curve. Now, our next exercise 4.2, question number 1, classify the curves. You have to classify this figure into open and closed. First one, look at this figure. This is your open curve because the starting point and ending point does not meet together. So this is your open curve. Look at this figure. It is closed curve. Why? Because the starting and ending point are joined together. This figure is again in open. This is your closed curve, and this one is also your closed curve. Now let's move to our question number 2. Draw rough diagram of open curve. First one is open curve. Now look here, I am drawing. Is it open curve? Yes. You can draw like this also. This is also an open curve. Right? Now our second question is closed curve. Now for closed curve, you have to, this is starting point joined at the ending point. This is your closed curve. Now question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Here, this is our polygon. This polygon is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line segments. Now you have to shade its interior. This is our rough sketch of polygon and its interior is shaded. Now question number 4. Consider the figure and answer the following. Here one figure is given. You have to answer this figure. Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. Second, B. Is it a closed? Yes, it is a closed curve. This figure is closed curve figure. So, our both statement is correct. Now, question number 5. Draw a rough diagram. Number 1. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Now, you all know what is polygon. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segment. Now let me draw one rough sketch. Suppose this is not a line segment, so it is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. You can draw these also. These also, any one of these you can draw it. Our B part. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. You have to, now you should understand that it should be open. So I had drawn here this rough sketch. See, it is open figure and it is made up of line segment. You can also draw like this. This is also an open figure made up of line segment. Now our next question is a polygon with 2 sides. Students, as I had explained you that a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment, and we cannot form a closed figure with 2 sides. Suppose this is your 2 sides. Is it a polygon? No, it is not a closed figure. So this statement is not possible. So what we will write? That this statement, no, it is not possible. No, it is not possible. As polygon has at least 3 sides and which is also called triangle. Thank you.